I remember dragging a ridiculously heavy crossbow through freezing woods with my grandfather, only for the caulking rope to snap when a buck finally appeared. It was a complete disaster. Finding a reliable model that does not feel like carrying a cinder block is surprisingly tough. You waste time sifting through overpriced junk that just falls apart. So I spent weeks testing top contenders to bring you the actual best options for every budget. Stick around because number 1 completely changes how a crossbow even works. TenPoint Phantom de Coq. This bow is best for the hunter who wants premium reverse draw balance without totally destroying their savings, assuming they can overlook a few glaring quirks. Testing this out in the field was an interesting experience. The reverse draw design makes it feel incredibly balanced in your hands. It weighs just over 7 pounds and measures a tiny 8.4 inches wide when cocked. That compact frame definitely makes maneuvering through thick brush a lot easier. It shoots at a blazing 400 feet per second, which sounds incredible on paper. You get plenty of kinetic energy for deep penetration on larger game. The ACU Draw safety caulking system is also here, and it lets you decock the string safely without having to shoot an arrow into the dirt at the end of the day. But, well, here is what matters when you actually shoot it. The vibration is noticeably harsh. I mean, for a bow creeping toward the $1,000 mark, I expected a much smoother release. It feels like the energy just rattles right through the stock and into your shoulder. Then there's the included scope. You know, it's just okay. The ProView 400 lighted scope works fine in broad daylight, but the glass gets pretty murky during those crucial low light hours at dawn and dusk. I found myself really struggling to clearly identify targets at 50 yards when the sun started dipping. It's a fast and compact option with a great safety system. 5. Wicked Ridge by TenPoint Warrior 400. This setup is best for a complete beginner looking for solid speed on a tight budget who does not mind a very bare-bones package. It promises 400 feet per second for under $500. Taking it out to the range, the tactical stock felt surprisingly good against the shoulder. It is very lightweight at just 6.4 pounds, so carrying it around all day will not wear you out. The trigger actually shocked me. Usually budget models have terrible, mushy triggers, but this one breaks fairly clean. It is a solid performer when you're just punching paper targets at 20 or 30 yards. Plus, the safety engages automatically, which is a great touch for newer shooters learning the ropes. Here's where the honeymoon phase ended for me. Caulking this thing with the included rope sled is a serious chore. I'm in decent shape, but pulling that heavy draw weight manually over a long power stroke gets exhausting very quickly. If you're sitting in an awkward tree stand, it's almost dangerous. And the noise? It's painfully loud. When you pull the trigger, it sounds like a rimfire rifle going off. Any white-tailed deer within 40 yards is going to duck the string before your arrow even gets there. I mean, you definitely need to invest heavily in aftermarket dampeners to quiet this thing down. Bottom line, you get the speed you pay for, but you sacrifice a lot of comfort and stealth. 4. Excalibur Rev X TD. This recurve design is best for the rugged traditionalist who wants dead simple reliability and zero cam tuning headaches while deep in the backcountry. Unlike compound models, this recurve design has no cams or cables to go out of sync. If you somehow break a string miles away from a bow shop, you can literally change it yourself in the field in about 5 minutes. The takedown feature is where this really shines. With the pull of a single button, the entire front limb assembly pops off. I packed this easily into a standard duffel bag for a weekend trip, which is something you just cannot do with a traditional fixed frame. It saves so much space in your truck. It still manages to throw arrows at 400 feet per second, which is wildly impressive for a recurve limb. The integrated Charger X crank makes loading it totally effortless. You barely feel any resistance, and the built-in safety mechanism ensures you will never have a terrifying dry fire accident. Out on the target block, the accuracy was just phenomenal. Here is what matters. Broadheads flew exactly the same as field points at 50 yards. I did not have to tweak or tune anything. The premium trigger breaks like glass, giving you total confidence when you settle in for a shot. You are getting top-tier durability and consistent precision without the fragile moving parts of modern compound setups. 3. Barnett Raptor T-Rex. This incredibly compact beast is best for tree stand and ground blind hunters who need extreme maneuverability without sacrificing an ounce of knockdown power. When I first unboxed the Raptor, I could not believe how narrow it was. Cocked, it measures barely over 7 inches wide. I took it into a cramped pop-up blind and I had endless room to swing tracking a moving target. You never have to worry about your limbs smashing into a tent wall. The step-through riser is a brilliant design choice. Instead of a bulky metal foot stirrup hanging off the front, the riser itself has a hole for your boot. This shifts the center of gravity backward, making the entire platform feel incredibly well-balanced and light when you shoulder it. It fires Barnett proprietary micro-diameter arrows at blistering speeds, up to 410 feet per second. Let me explain why that is huge. Those thinner arrows experience way less wind drift and penetrate significantly deeper into targets. I was blasting right through my dense foam blocks that usually stop standard arrows cold. You know, the trigger is another massive highlight here. It uses a frictionless release technology that gives a zero-creep 3-pound pull. It honestly feels like a high-end rifle trigger. Every shot felt completely deliberate and perfectly controlled, greatly shrinking my groups at 60 yards. It packs elite tier speed and a terrifyingly accurate arrow system into a micro footprint. 2. TenPoint Wicked Ridge Commander 400. This model is best for anyone who wants premium features like an integrated crank right out of the box without paying a luxury price tag. I was genuinely excited to put the Commander through its paces. Weighing right around 7.3 pounds, it is light enough for all-day spot and stock hunts. What really sets it apart is the American-made build quality. Every joint, bolt, and molding feels exceptionally tight and well-crafted in your hands. The built-in ACU draw crank system is an absolute lifesaver. You know, forgetting a manual rope cocker at home can ruin an entire hunting trip. Having the crank permanently mounted into the stock means you are always ready. It reduces the cocking effort down to a mere 5 pounds of force. It consistently hit that magical 400 feet per second mark on my chronograph. The narrow 11-inch uncocked width makes it a breeze to hike with. Plus, the factory actually pre-sights the scope at 20 yards before it ships. I literally took it out of the box, assembled it, and shot a bullseye on the first try. The illuminated ProView scope is wonderfully clear. Unlike some cheaper models, the glass gathers light beautifully right at dawn. The reticle gives you precise aiming points out to 50 yards, and the red or green illumination really pops against dark backgrounds in the woods. You are getting top-tier speed, pinpoint accuracy, and a premium cocking mechanism wrapped in a highly reliable package. EK Archery Repeating Adder. This automatic repeating crossbow is best for the backyard shooter or tactical prepper who wants pure rapid-fire fun over traditional hunting specifications. This thing completely changes the game. Unlike anything else on the market, the Adder features a 5-shot auto-loading magazine sitting right on top of the rail. I loaded 5 carbon bolts into the chamber and I could not wipe the smile off my face. It is genuinely the most entertaining archery experience ever. The draw weight is only 130 pounds and you cock it using an integrated lever system under the stock. You just grab the handle, pull back, and push forward. The string catches and a new bolt instantly drops into place. You can fire all 5 shots in under 10 seconds. Let me explain the performance. It shoots at 230 feet per second. Now, that is not going to take down a moose, but it is incredibly lethal for small game or just shredding targets in your backyard. The ergonomic pistol grip and adjustable tactical stock make it feel like you are holding something out of an action movie. Customization is also a huge selling point here. It is covered in Picatinny rails. You can slap on the included red dot sight, attach a tactical flashlight, or add a foregrip. The string stoppers completely eliminate vibration, making it shockingly quiet and smooth every single time you pull the trigger.